Hey, this is Andrew Brown. In this video, I want to show you how to add a principal, specifically an IAM user, to your organization. So I'm going to go here, click the Google Cloud. I'm at my organizational level, and we're going to go over and type in IAM. And so from here, we'll click on IAM. On the left-hand side, we'll be under IAM. I'm going to go ahead and click the it's grant access. Yeah, grant access. There we go. Yep. Sorry, the wording is a bit confusing. I don't know. They just don't say add. And I'm going to go ahead and add my other email. This is andrew@monsterboxpro.com. That's my old business, so that's why it's called what it is. And so I'm going to drop down here, and we're going to assign a role. So what I'm thinking here is we can do something like Google Cloud Run. So I'm looking for something like Google Cloud Run developer. And I personally do not like the search here. I always find it very confusing. So I usually I would just say it's not useful, right? So I always have to scroll and then find exactly what I want. So I'm looking for Cloud Run. So do we see it here? We have Cloud Build. Cloud Run, Cloud Run, Cloud Run, Cloud Run, Cloud Run. There it is, Cloud Run. And then we might say Cloud Run Developer. Whoops. Cloud Run Developer. And so now we'll go ahead and save. And so now that user is added. Something else that we should know how to do is set a custom role. So what we'll do here is we'll make our way over to roles. I don't know where it is on the left-hand side, but if you type in roles, like you think it'd be here. Let me see here. Like oh, there it is. Okay. So you can go to roles here on the left-hand side. Normally I just search for it. And let's say we wanted to create ourselves a new custom role. We'll go here and create a custom role. We'll give it a moment here to load. Takes a little bit of time. Well, normally not, but today it is. And let's just say like launch VMs role. I'm going to call it that. And this is a custom role. I mean, we want to give it a better ID than that. So let's just say only launch VMs. Notice that we have a few different role launch stages. So it really depends on what you want. I'm going to say general availability as our launch stage here. Let's go ahead and add our permissions. And for this, I want to find compute. So in here, I'm going to type in compute. I mean, that's filtering for existing roles, which is not exactly what I want. We can try here, compute instance sys.launch or .start. I'm just going to be honest with you, it is very hard to navigate these UIs. They're not the best. We'll go ahead and add it. So now they have only permissions to launch the instance. We'll go and take a look here. Nothing else I need here. We'll go ahead and create this role. And so that role should now exist. Here it is, launch VM roles. Probably not the best name. Let's see if I can adjust that name. So I'll go here and only launch VMs. That will be a lot more clear if we do it that way. I'm going to go back over to my IAM user, and we're going to go into this user here, and I want to grant them access. I wonder if I can just edit them over here. There we go. We'll go ahead and add a role, and so this will be our custom. There we go. And we will go ahead and save it. And so we've created a user, and we've added a custom role. So there you go.